Why does Mahakal place a small crescent moon on his head? This secret is hidden in a compassionate story, one that saved an arrogant deity from the curse of death. Prajapati Daksh had 27 daughters, all of whom were married to Chandradev, the moon god. Now these 27 daughters are actually the 27 nakshatras. However, Chandradev was deeply attached to only one wife, Rohini. Because of this, the remaining 26 wives felt neglected and disrespected. Now this imbalance was an insult to the order of creation. When all the daughters complained to their father, Prajapati's angers flared. He cursed Chandradev for this indiscrimination and said, "You have insulted my lineage. The beauty and radiance you take pride in shall fade away." Prajapati Daksh himself was the son of Brahma. As soon as the curse took effect, Chandradev's glow began to diminish and his phases started to wither. Seeing death approaching, Chandradev sought help from everyone, but all the doors closed on him. Finally, he did what every helpless soul does. He took refuge at the feet of Devo Ke Dev, Mahadev. With repentance and tears, he fell at the feet of Bholenath and begged for mercy. Our ocean of compassion, Mahadev, saw the curse, saw Chandradev's repentance, and also saw the balance of the universe. Completely nullifying the curse would go against Dharma. But how could he abandon one who had surrendered to him? Then Mahadev found a middle path, one that only he could. He placed the moon on his own head, within his mated locks. The moment Chandradev received Shiva's divine touch, his death was halted. But Mahadev also declared that Daksha's word would not go in vain. "You shall wane for 15 days, but for the next 15 days, you shall be filled with my energy." From that moment, the cycle of Krishna Paksh, which is the waning phase, and Shukla Paksh, which is the waxing phase, began. This story proves that the court of Bholenath is a court of compassion. Here, sincere repentance alone brings the grace of Mahadev. In the comments, make sure to mark your presence for Lord Chandrasekhar and type Har Har Mahadev.